Hello guys and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to be learning how you can fix the confirmation code issue in Instagram. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you get notified every time we post a new video. Now let's get started. So your Instagram account has been suspended for whatever reason and you're trying to get your confirmation code to get back your account, but it shows an error that reads too many SMS codes. You have requested too many SMS codes. You must wait 24 hours to receive another. For this, you need to make sure that you've entered your correct phone number. As you can see, there is an option for update mobile number. When you tap on it, you enter the number that you are currently using. So if you have been registered with a phone number that you used to use, but then now you're using a new number, you update the phone number to that number and then you request a new code. If you still do not get the code, what you do next is go to the Instagram app on your mobile, long press and tap on uninstall. Either that or you log out from your account. Either it's this Instagram or your Instagram Lite. After that, even though it says 24 hours, after 36 hours, you open your preferred browser and on the search bar, you type Instagram, tap on enter. Either you can do this or you can Google search Instagram login. It will pop up with the same page. Then you tap on login. Since my account has not been suspended, my page looks a bit different. However, if your account is suspended and you try to open it, then instead of forgotten your password, you'll get the update mobile number. You do that, you tap on it, enter your phone number. After that, a confirmation code will be sent to you in your mobile number and then you enter it to Instagram to get your account unsuspended. However, if this does not work as well, what you do is you Google search Instagram help center, then you tap on the first link, search disable account, then you tap on the first link, scroll down and you can see was this helpful. In was this helpful, you have two options, yes or no. You tap on no and then you have the options the solution doesn't work. You tap on it and then you type out what your issue is, that your confirmation code is not being sent and that your account has been suspended, and after that you enter your username and your phone number and then you hit submit. After that, Instagram will look into the issue and help you out within a few hours and then your issue will be solved. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below and thanks for watching.